Want to speak Spanish from day one?
Today 8 verbs you'll use in every conversation. Stay to the end for a full recap.
The verb of wanting and loving.
Querer. It means to want or to love.
Quiero un café.
For what you can do.
Poder.
It means can, to be able to.
¿Puedes ayudarme?
To know information.
Saber.
It means to know a fact.
No sé la respuesta.
To know people or places.
Conocer.
It means to know or meet someone.
Conozco a María.
The verb of having.
Tener.
It means to have.
Tengo dos hermanos.
For doing and making.
Hacer.
It means to do or to make.
¿Qué haces hoy?
The verb of going.
Ir.
It means to go.
Voy al mercado.
The verb of coming.
Venir.
It means to come.
¿Vienes conmigo?
Let's recap the 8 everyday verbs from today.
Querer, poder, saber, conocer, tener, hacer, ir, venir.
Subscribe for a Spanish lesson every day. Next video, the 10 most common Spanish adjectives.